Hello, my name's Dr. Beril Dmitry. The aim of this study is the establishment of correlation between the structure and the biological activity. Several beta-piperidine propan acid hydrazide was synthesized via nucleophile addition of piperidine or morpholine to double bond of ethyl or methacrylic acid esters were condensated with hydrazine hydrate with generation of corresponding hydrazide. Hydrazides were incubated with various aromatic aldehydes, which resulted in formation of corresponding hydrazones with very high yield. The structure of compounds was confirmed by infrared spectroscopy. We try to prepare various derivatives of hydrazones. In this slide are presented main functional groups vibration of hydrazone. On the figure 3, one can see the fragmentation of molecular ion and also example of hydrazone and its fragmentation. After this, hydrazide was condensated with potassium thiocyanate, which resulted in formation of corresponding thiocyanate-carbazide derivative. If we use acidic cyclization in concentrated sulfuric acid, it results in formation of thiadiazole. For this compound, we have tautomidization. The one product of alkylation was also characterized. Finally, biological activity evaluation in vivo, which revealed that acute toxicity was significantly lower compared to commercially available drugs. The first hydrazide possessed moderate antimicrobial activity. Thank you for your attention.